Hello and welcome. I'm Lisa Evans from Wrapture, and today I will show you how to make your own wrapping paper. I've chosen this Christmas tree stamp and 4 green inks here, and I'm going to just randomly stamp the paper with the ink. And I'm going to just keep stamping until I feel that it's done. And again, just choosing the ink color at random and stamping at random. I've also tried this in rose, and that looks good as well. So just a few more here, and we will be done. Okay, and there we have our paper, and this dries very quickly. And then I'm going to show you a gift made the same way and embellished with this lovely dark green ribbon. And you're done. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.